We're going to show you how to set up your body for the proper way to do a squat. And this is not going to require any resistance, what I'm going to demonstrate to you. This is simply setting it up so that you can be in the proper position to safely perform any kind of squat variation with or without a weight resistance. The first thing you want to do is start with your feet position. Your feet need to be slightly wider than shoulder width apart, and you're going to point your toes out at about a 30-degree angle. It's crucial that you keep your weight back on your heels and your feet firmly and flat in contact with the ground all the way through the motion. One of the other key things, once you've got this foot position correctly, is a technique called the hip hinge. What you'll do with that, I'm going to turn sideways to demonstrate this. This is to properly engage your lower back muscles and keep your spine in a straight, stiff, upright position that's going to allow you to safely handle a weight load. So once your feet are in the correct position, the hip hinge is performed by shifting your hips back a couple inches. And you can tell that I've got a bit of an arch here, my lower back here. That lower back is now engaged to keep me safe, stable, and upright. Once I'm in this position with my feet and with the hip hinge engaged, I'm going to lower myself down and come all the way to a squat to where my hips come below parallel, which is just slightly lower than my knees. The other thing to note is you want to have your knees lined up properly with your feet. So as I'm in this position lowering the squat, my knees should be staying right over top of my feet as you see them doing right now. You don't want your knees pointed out way wide. You don't want your knees collapsing inward like this. Those are signs of some muscular weaknesses that need to be addressed and trained to be stronger before you begin adding a weight resistance to that squat exercise. But that's the basic motion and setup on how to perform a squat.